hug! Hello, hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Learn English in Easy Way. I am Sarah, and today I am feeling very happy. Do you know why? Because my little nephew, he is only 3 years old. He tried to teach me English today. He said, "Auntie Sarah, this is a catto." He thinks everything ends with O. It was so cute. Today we are talking about something very close to our hearts. We are talking about our family. Do you have a big family or a small family? Before we meet my family, please, if you love your family and you love English, hit the subscribe button. Join our big, happy family here on this channel. Are you ready? Let's talk about the people we love. The most important people are our parents. Parents means your mother and your father together. Listen. Parents. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Parents. Your mother is your mum or mother. Repeat after me. Mother. And your father is your dad or father. Repeat after me. Father. I love my parents very much. Let's practice a full sentence. My parents live in Alexandria. Listen slowly. My parents live in Alexandria. Now, repeat after me. My parents live in Alexandria. Excellent! You are doing great. Okay, now let's talk about the other children in the house. If you have a boy, he is your brother. Repeat after me. Brother. If you have a girl, she is your sister. Repeat after me. Sister. But wait, there is a special word for brothers and sisters together. We say siblings. This is a very good word to know. Listen. Siblings. Now, repeat after me. Siblings. I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister. What about you? Let's look at Adam. Adam has a very big family. He has 3 brothers. Can you imagine? 3 boys in one house. Poor Adam's mother. Adam says, I have a big family. I have 3 brothers. Let's practice that. Repeat after me. I have a big family. Now the second part. I have 3 brothers. Wait, did you hear the S at the end of brothers? Because it is plural. 1 brother, but 3 brothers. Always remember the S. Repeat after me one more time. 3 brothers. Perfect. You are a star. Now, let's go back in time. Let's talk about our grandparents. This means the parents of your parents. Your father's father is your grandfather or grandpa. Listen. Grandfather. Repeat after me. Grandfather. And your mother's mother is your grandmother or grandma. Repeat after me. Grandmother. My grandmother makes the best food in the world. Do you agree? Grandmothers are amazing. Now, wait. Before we talk about the rest of the family, I have to ask you a very important question. This is our question of the day. I want to know, How many siblings do you have? Do you have brothers, sisters, or maybe you are an only child? Go to the comments right now and write, I have brothers and sisters. I want to see how big our listeners' families are. And please, if you are enjoying this lesson, don't forget to subscribe. It makes my family very proud of me. Now, let's continue. Okay, our family tree is getting bigger. Now, let's talk about your parents' brothers and sisters. Your mother's sister or your father's sister is your aunt. Some people say ant like the insect, and some people say aunt. Both are correct. Repeat after me. Aunt. And your father's brother or your mother's brother is your uncle. Repeat after me. Uncle. Now, what about their children? Your aunt's son or your uncle's daughter, they are your cousins. Listen, cousins. Repeat after me. Cousins. I have many cousins. We play together every summer in Alexandria. Let's practice a long sentence. I have 10 cousins and we are all good friends. Listen slowly. I have 10 cousins and we are all good friends. Now it's your turn. Speak clearly. I have 10 cousins and we are all good friends. Excellent. You are learning so fast. One more thing. If you are married, you have a husband if you are a woman, or a wife if you are a man. Repeat after me. Husband. Now, wife. And your children? Your boy is your son, and your girl is your daughter. Repeat after me. Son. Now, daughter. Great job! Wow, we learnt so many words today. Parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Family is the most important thing in the world. They love us and they help us. And I want you to know you are now part of my family. The Learn English in Easy Way family. Please, listen to this episode many times. Talk to your brother or sister in English today. Say, "Hi, you are my sibling." They might think you are crazy, but it's okay. It's for learning. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I am Sarah, and I am so proud of your progress. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your family members. I will see you in episode number 5, where we will talk about our hobbies and what we do for fun. Have a wonderful, happy, and family-filled day. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.